Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here, tutoring draw Propeller Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute Super Mario, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to start right here with this, kind of like this circular oval. So I'm going to draw this big curve, and then we're going to go around, then connect everything. There, nice and big, right in the center. And then from there, I'm going to draw the eyes. I'm going to come about right here and draw an oval, so a taller oval. I'm going to go around and come back to about right here. So let's do the same thing. Come to the other side, about right here. And in. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and put in some of these eyes. So I'm going to come right to this edge, and we're going to draw another oval, and then come down. And then inside, we're going to draw a circle for a highlight, and then another oval right inside. And this is the part that I'm going to shade in black. And then when you're coloring, this is where the eye color will be. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So closer to this edge and in. And then once again, highlight right here and then another oval. Sorry, this one kind of got muddled up a little bit, but it's the same idea. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to draw his mustache. So let's find the center, come down, say about right here, and then we're going to come about right here as well on both sides, middle of the nose, and I'm going to draw a curve right underneath the eye on both sides. Then we're just going to come back to this point, and about right here, I'm going to go ahead 1, 2, and 3. And same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. There. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and let's see. I'm going to draw the top of the hat. So I'm going to find my center, go up. About right here above the eyes, and I'm going to draw a curve coming down over the eyes. So I'll start with that first. So this is going to be the rim of the cap. Then let's see here, let's bring it down more past the mustache to about right here. Same thing here, past the mustache, and then we're going to come down. So come down with a soft line, and then about right there I'm going to go around the mustache with a curve. So same thing here, come down, then about the same area on the other side, just go around the mustache for the cheeks. Okay, so then let's bring this down, and we're going to go about right here and just connect with a curve to simplify it. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, and I can, if you like, you can just draw a little mouth in here if you like. And then let's draw the eyebrows. So let's come the eye right here. Looks so weird without his eyebrows, right? So I'm going to draw a curve right over the eye and then thicken it up, whatever space you have. And I'll just go ahead and shade this in. And same thing on the other side, right over the eye. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring this out a tiny bit. Just curve it out, and then I'm going to go up to thicken it up about this much and go all the way on the other side. Same thing. And then now that we have that, I'm going to come right here and just kind of wobble a little bit for his hair. Just kind of wobble and then touch the cheeks. So then from there we need to draw the helmet, right? So let's come, this is kind of where his chin is. We want to go above the chin, so maybe about right here. I'm going to draw a curve going out. So same thing on the other side. Going out, and then we're going to go up. So let's work on this side first. We're going to go out, and about right here we're going to straighten out a little bit up, go up, and then round it off, and we're going to bring it up nice and high. You say about right here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So that's kind of like our center. So I'll just go ahead and come down. This part's going to be a little bit straighter. And then angle back in and connect. There. And then for some details, you can come in here. Let's see here. About right here. I'm going to taper. I'll just show you with this line, but this is the area you can make it a little bit darker to give the helmet some separation between the helmet and the head. So this area you would just color it a deeper red than the helmet color. There. Okay, and then of course we need to draw the propeller. So let's find your center, which is about right here. And I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and then we're going to go up, straight with a line. Then let's continue this up, and we're going to curve it in a little bit. So about right here, and round this tip off. And bring it down. Then for some details, just come in here. Let's draw a curve here and another one. And now of course we need to draw the propeller. So about right here, I'm just going to draw this big curve coming in. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Try and make it almost the same size. There. Okay, so now we have that, we can finally move on to the body. So let's come about right here where the helmet is, and we're going to come down, roll an angle line, bring it down a little bit more. Let's say about right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to connect it. And then let's pop this part out just a little bit, and then do the same thing again. Just giving him this kind of belt area right here. And let's come back to the center before I forget. And I'm just going to draw a line down the center. And then there's a little separation right here. So I'll put in that line. And then let's come to the center about right here. I'll just draw a little curve. And we can start the legs. So let's come down on both sides. Then let's come right about here, and I'm going to curve a little bit kind of towards this height for the bottom, and then continue it down straight. So same thing here, just slightly curve towards this area and then go down straight. There. So I'm ending this lower because right here is where I need to draw his shoe, which is at a curve. Same thing here. These big round shoes. So we'll work on this side first. Just pop it out slightly. Here, just don't go past the center so you can draw both of them. And connect at the bottom of a straight line. 2 buttons for his shoes. And at the bottom, just a little bit of a sole. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come right here and just round it off. Just to simplify it, I'm going to end it about right here of a curve. Then put in a little cuff for his gloves. And then the thumb. And then we're going to, let's see here, it's come out. And connect. And then you can put in another finger right here. Just so that it looks like he's kind of flying, right? So same thing over here. Once again, about right here. Cuff. And same thing. There. And last thing we need to do, of course, is to put a heart somewhere, right? So I'm going to put it right here to make this my just so cute Propeller Mario from Super Mario. I really hope you love how he turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.